Hello everyone.
Hi.
Today I'm going to introduce how to persuade my mother to study abroad in Canada. Well, since when I was little, I just have I have one of my dream. Like someday when I grow up, I really want to go another country and then study abroad. And actually it is just kind of meaningless and then daydreaming, because just studying abroad looks so cool. No another reason. Just I want to go another country and then I want to feel another country's atmosphere. And then after I asked my mother and father that I wanna go and then study abroad, and then they kept saying, "Oh no, you don't have any specific reason or specific any schedule, so you can't go." And then I think now I could remember, like, it is just that time I was no specific reason, and then I was immature, and then I was quite young, so maybe that's why they didn't allow me to go to there. And after that, after I graduated from high school, then I entered university, and then again I asked my parents that I think I almost mature person, so can I go to another country to study? Can I go another country to study? And then they said, okay, I will allow you, but to follow another friends, it is not good idea and it is not desirable. You have to have some specific thing, specific thought, goal or something. So you have to have your own life, and then you shouldn't follow other friends. It means when I persuade my mother and father, comparison with friends is not, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. So and then always whenever I make some plan, I have to make some specific paper sheet, and I have to hand in them, and then they usually check my schedule, and if it is quite good, they will always say, okay, it is good, you can do it, I will let it do. Otherwise, sometimes I can't do it. I can't do anything. So and then I have to get permission, like if it is I have to get permission, like it is up to my schedule. So I had to write down very specifically, and then finally I got permission from my parents, and then it was 4 years ago, and then I think I can't make like a kind of sheet every time, because sometimes it is just small thing. Every time if I make paper sheet, is kind of waste of time. So if my parents think it is a big project or big important for my life, they usually require me to do that. So I think every persuasion has to have reasonable reason and a reasonable specific idea to persuade someone to I have to persuade. So yeah, I think to make some paper sheet paper sheet is my way, my way to persuade someone. And then I don't remember exactly because it was 4 years ago. So I just wrote down and then made very quickly in the morning. Like, I don't know how to explain. Just it is just very short and then briefly I made it. Like at the time I went Vancouver.
Oh.
Vancouver, and then but I just write down the embassy name. So for example, like I had to write down very specifically like tuition fee and air flight ticket fee, and then period from where to when to when, and then homestay fee something about some money, and then about my school schedule. Then after school, maybe I might write down like I will go library and then I will join variety of activity, but actually I couldn't make it. Just I went library to hang out with my friend or have a tea. And then there is another some option like what I will study by myself. And then that time I studied TOEIC. Yeah. And then at the time, maybe I did. Then my mother and father were very quite satisfied with my paper sheet, and then I could